Welcome back, everyone. We've just added a new editing feature to the app. It's called P.C.C, or Protective Color Change. First, you'll notice a new icon next to the model when you choose a vehicle. This icon identifies whether or not there is full body coverage available for this model. Start by choosing your template. In this one, I'm going to choose the full doors. This feature takes any full coverage template we've made and converts them into a template for protective color change film. It removes any cutouts and offsets the template in one action. Now that I have both templates on the artboard, I'm going to hold the Shift key and click on each one to select them. Then right-click and select Edit Template. Click on the P.C.C button. Up top, you'll see a slider that allows you to choose how much you want to offset the template. You can choose from 1 inch all the way to 6 inches. You can also key in the dimension you prefer. Press the play button and you'll see that it automatically has deleted any cutouts and is ready to cut. Once it completes the operation, it might overlap templates. If so, make sure to arrange them until the red outlines disappear. Also note that I'm rotating these templates by clicking on my scroll wheel and rotating back and forth. Using this method is faster and is also handy because the rotation axis is determined by where my arrow is currently at. I'm going to use the same car for this example. This is the full rear quarter. Right-click, select Edit Template. Click on the P.C.C button, then select the dimension. In this case, I'm going to choose 3 inches. Then press the play button. In the final example, I'm going to check the icon to make sure the full body is available for this model. Right-click, select Edit Template. Then click the P.C.C button, choose your dimension, and push play. Arrange it back to the artboard once finished. We've got more exciting features coming your way. Make sure you like and subscribe to receive notifications. Thanks for watching.